All right, this is going to be our CrystalWave set. And this comes in a rectangle shape. And then your larger circle shapes. And then they actually have sets available where you have 3 different sizes that you can utilize. Now, what I enjoy, oh, and there's also the soup mug. Now, what I enjoy about the CrystalWave is, again, it's microwavable. So again, going off to college, you're constantly TDY, you're on the go all the time, you spend more time in a hotel than you spend at home. A CrystalWave set is another ideal product for you to have. So with the CrystalWave, what it has is it has these little feet on the bottom. I don't know if you can see this or not. It has the little feet on the bottom so that when it's sitting in the microwave can do its thing. Whatever microwaves do. It's still not understanding microwaves. I didn't design it, I didn't make it, I have no idea how it works, I just know it works. So, what you also have is your seals have a vented lid. So, whenever you have something in here and you put it in the microwave, pop the top. Pop the top, or it's gonna pop the top for you. So, the seal fits right on here, and what I recommend for my customers to do is when you're putting the seals on, is to put these so that they're close together for ease of opening, because then you can push on the one, and then I put that on the other opposite way. I'm right-handed, so if you're left-handed, this would be perfect, because you just go and pop it off. So, depending upon exactly what it is that you're reheating will depend upon, and how full you make it will depend upon how long you reheat things for. This gets used in my house a lot for tuna noodle casserole, if there's even any left over. Sometimes I go ahead and make double batches so that I know there's leftovers to feed everybody for a while. But on the inside of here, I don't know if you can see that in the light or not, there's this little line on the very inside. You do not want to fill this any higher than this line, because then there's not enough space in here for it to bubble up and do whatever, especially if it's a soup or a stew, something like that you have in here. But you're not giving it enough room to do its thing as it's heating, depending upon how long that you need to reheat it for. And again, that's determined by how much you have in here. Tuna noodle casserole, chicken parm rice, chicken rice parm, depending upon who you are in the family, what name it goes by. But this is what we utilize this one for. And again, the seal just goes on. And again, I just recommend that you line these up just for ease of taking it off. Also, when you put these seals on, it's a wise idea, especially if it's still warm, to have this popped while you're putting the seal on, and then close it when you go to put it in the refrigerator. So this one here is absolutely one of the favorites for the boys, and this one is 8.5 cups. Yes, this one here is 8.5 cups. Okay, again, you got your pop top. If you want to know if something is microwavable from Tupperware, look for a pop top. Look for a pop top. We do have a couple of products that do not have pop tops, but are still microwavable, and you'll see a video for that as well. But again, this one here, this is the 8.5 cup CrystalWave bowl. Think and say that 10 times fast. The boys in my house, they utilize this. Does anybody remember the whole big Chick-fil-A thing? What is it? You get the large mac and cheese, the large waffle fry, and your 8 count or 12 count nugget, depending upon what you want, and the Chick-fil-A sauce. And then you used to, go in and request, which they won't give it to you now because way too many people did this, but you went in and you ordered all that food, then you requested a salad container and everybody would just shake it up. Well, my boys have found that they really like this. So if I go to Chick-fil-A for them, I order them their large mac and cheese, their 8 or 12 count nugget, and their large fry. They can put it in here, they close the vented lid, and they just shake it. Mix it all up, and then they pop the seal off, grab their fork, and they eat away at it. And then if for some reason, doesn't happen very often, but if for some reason they don't finish it all, then they just pop this top, put the seal back on, and you just walk it around. Then they close the vented lid and then, or seal, and then they just put it right into the refrigerator, and then they can reheat it and use it later. Also available in the CrystalWave set, again, is this rectangle size one. This one again can be used for if you're going on a long trip or going out on a picnic somewhere, going to a friend's house, you know, you're watching your eating habits, you know, you're eating healthier. You can put it inside the rectangle one and take this to your destination. Also, same, vented pop lid. Just pop that, set it in the microwave, however long it needs to be in the microwave for. So those are the shapes that I have with me on the CrystalWave set. Let's see. Oh yes, CrystalWave sets are also, they also have a stain guard on there. So if you, let's say you make a lot of spaghetti sauce and not everybody uses it all. You can put it inside any of the CrystalWave containers and it has a stain guard and it's not gonna stain. So, but that's also for the CrystalWave. And it's actually called CrystalWave and or the CrystalWave Plus, just depends upon which ones you're getting. Let's see, what all do they have in the CrystalWave set? They have the round container with a colander, which is good for steaming. You have your 2 1/4 cup, you have your 7 1/2 cup. There's a 3-piece set available, the soup mugs. Again, just hop on the website, check to see what all is available and currently in stock, and you can place your order for that. Again, it is perfect for the on-the-go person. Also, another thing that you can do with it is prep your food on Sunday or Saturday, pick a day of the week, get all your food prepped, and then grab and go. Grab and go. Take it to work. No more eating out. Use the microwave at work. Go ahead and reheat your food. I mean, perfect way to save yourself time, save yourself money, and eat healthier. So I know a lot of I know a lot of people who are on that eating healthier. And when you're cooking it at home and utilizing the products that Tupperware has, you're getting the best deal. You're getting the best option, the healthiest option for you. So again, CrystalWave, the CrystalWave set. Be sure to check it out.